Okay, last test, the functional movement screen. It's called the Rotary Stability movement pattern. This test is a little bit more difficult in that you got to use both your arms and your legs. You have to be able to mobilize and stabilize across 3 different planes of motion. And what you're doing is you're actually performing the fundamental climbing pattern. And I'll show you what we're talking about here, all right? Anyway, the way this test starts out, you use the 2x6. You're in the quadruped position, your fingers are spread, your thumbs have to be touching the 2x6. Your knees are in contact with it and your toes are in contact with it. Now, several years ago, the top score for this test required you to be able to extend and return without losing your balance. It was really so difficult that hardly anybody could do it. So now when you see this test demonstrated, what they do is they move it down to the diagonal way of performing it, which is doing this. And you come in, touch your elbow to your knee, and you reach again, okay? To do the opposite side, get all your contacts, extend simultaneously, come in, touch your elbow to your knee, extend, all right? Now today, that's considered to be a successful test. But in reality, the test, when it's done on the diagonal like that, really should only score a 2. All right? So I'm giving you a little hint on this one. So I want you to go ahead and rate this test. But there's one more little piece here, and that's the clearing test that you have to do to check for pain. All right? And this particular clearing test is checking for low back pain. Anyway, here's what it looks like. Get in this position. If you feel pain in your low back, you score a 0 on this test. Otherwise, you keep whatever the score is that you earned. All right, Rotary Stability.